Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and easy crypto tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to send BUSD from Trust Wallet to Crypto.com in 2025. If you're looking to move your Binance USD, BUSD, seamlessly between wallets, this guide is perfect for you. Whether you're a beginner or just want to refresh, I'll walk you through the steps in a simple, step-by-step manner. Let's dive right in. First things first. Make sure you have both Trust Wallet and the Crypto.com app installed on your device. BUSD is a stablecoin, so transferring it is straightforward, but always double-check for any updates in 2025 crypto regulations. Step 1. Open your Trust Wallet app and navigate to the BUSD token in your wallet. You'll see your balance there, just tap on it to get started. If you don't have BUSD, you'll need to acquire some first, but assuming you do, proceed to the Send option. Step 2. Before you send, head over to your Crypto.com app or website. Go to the Deposit section for your Crypto.com wallet. Select BUSD as the currency, and choose the correct network, typically BEP20 for BUSD since it's on the Binance Smart Chain. Copy the deposit address provided. This is crucial, so don't skip this. Step 3. Back in Trust Wallet, paste the address you just copied into the recipient field. Enter the amount of BUSD you want to send, but remember to leave enough for any transaction fees. Review everything carefully. Wrong addresses can lead to lost funds. Step 4. Hit the Send button and confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation prompt. Double-check the details one last time. Once sent, the transfer might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion in 2025. Finally, once it's done, check your Crypto.com wallet to ensure the BUSD has arrived. Always prioritize security. Use hardware wallets for large amounts and stay updated on crypto best practices. There you have it. That's how you send BUSD from Trust Wallet to Crypto.com in 2025. It's easier than it sounds, right? If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and hit that bell icon. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.